Fran from Thistlewood Farms.
And we're Jim and Ashley Mills from The Handmade Home.
And we're so excited you're joining us for this 4th season of the Jeffrey Court Renovation Challenge. We're excited because we have 11 new participants that are hard at work in week 3 of their renovation, and we cannot wait for you to see what they've done. You can see it all if you jump over to the Jeffrey Court website at hd.jeffreycourt.com, and we're gonna dive into our first project.
First up, we have the Clever Housewife. We love your before. It is looking so great with everything that she has and her tile options. And I'm so impressed by how far along they are on the renovation.
I think it's incredible. Did you see the whole part where she had the great tips on removing dust? Y'all wanna make sure and check that out. And also, make sure you check out her wallpaper. It's absolutely amazing. Next up, we have the Crisp Collective, and she is working on an amazing bathroom renovation. She actually was really smart with her renovation because she's taking out her tub, and instead of putting another tub back, she looked at it, she kind of analyzed what she had in her budget, and she's just gonna put a shower in.
Yeah, I think that's a really smart decision. I love to see people kind of think outside the box and move away from maybe what's there and create something cool, like going away from that tub to just the shower, so good job. Our next participant is Eye in the Detail. And I'm just gonna tell you, already winning my favorite for the before. I mean, that vanity, that blue sink is absolutely gorgeous. Love it.
It definitely.
You gotta keep it, right?
It needed to go.
Yeah, but pro tip here for everybody watching, like linoleum, and I just let you do a great job. Pay attention to it. Old linoleum can have asbestos in it. We don't want anybody getting that, so make sure you deal with that properly, but I'm just gotta love that before.
We
It's
love the way
amazing.
that you've opened it up so far. It looks so great.
Next up, we have Gathered Grace, and she is completely transforming her tub area. So she has kind of a traditional tub that she built actually when they built the house several years ago, and now she's creating a zen-like spa with this amazing tile.
You think she'll let us come stay at her spa?
I'm there, I love it.
That pebble tile is gonna feel great under her feet when she's finally finished.
It's gonna be an amazing renovation when she's done. I can't wait to see which tub she chooses.
Next up, we have Home Revival Designs, and we love what she has so far. And all the things that she has selected for the space are so exciting. We really love the way that they're looking.
I love the entire combo that she's put together. That wood tile with the wallpaper. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see your finished project. I'm sure that's gonna be amazing. Next up, we have House of Esperanza, and their bathroom, I just have a feeling, y'all, it's gonna be amazing. The showpiece of the bathroom is this incredible potpourri tile with different patterns that she has very painstakingly all put together, and I'm really feeling positive about it.
Yeah, I think the tile is beautiful. It's gonna look great in that space, but we all know my pet peeve, right? The toilet wasn't covered for like all of week 1 and week 2.
But they might have covered it.
They did cover it week 3, so
They did
props to covering it, but another PSA here because that's what I'm about. Make sure we cover those. We don't want that methane gas blowing up our house.
We just want you to be safe. Next up, we have Living Letter Home, and they are doing their laundry room. And I have to say, we are so jealous
We are a little bit.
of their space because it's gonna be so great when they're done.
Yeah, and I'm loving how they're really embracing the window. I mean, you know, it's kind of off-centered. A lot of people just cover it up or do something else, but they're just taking it and running with it. And I think it's gonna look fabulous once they're done. Next up for us is making Manzanita. And we all had bets whether or not I'd get that right, so we'll find out soon. But I'm loving the space. I hate that it's next to your wall with those wood planks. I wish that was interior, they could keep it, but I know that what they've planned out is gonna be gorgeous and beautiful, and the tile they selected, I'm loving as well.
They also have some really great tips on how to use large scale format tile in your home. Sometimes people get overwhelmed. They don't know how to choose it wisely, and they have some really great tips, so be sure and check that out, y'all.
Next up, we have New Build Newlyweds, and they are so thorough with all their documentation. It's actually really impressive. I love seeing step-by-step everything that they're doing, that they've got going on, and that's looking like a really cool space.
Especially, did you see the color on that cabinetry? It was amazing, and she's layering in so many different tiles with depth that I think it's really gonna bring out the color in the cabinetry. I think it's gonna be an amazing project.
Our next participant is Simply Aligned Home. And I really love how they've taken a space they had, figured out a way to get more use out of it, and they created that new wall and are making a mudroom. I think that'll be really amazing for their family.
It's really clever, and I think they're bringing in a lot of interesting texture, and we just can't wait to see where they go with it.
And last up, we have White Raven Company. And y'all, they encountered some difficulties in the middle of the reno. So they pulled up linoleum, which I personally have done, and it is a little bit challenging. And when they pulled it up, y'all, they found some damage. and there was some plywood that had some water damage, and they had to replace 2 layers of plywood. So be careful when you pull up that linoleum.
That's never any fun. We've encountered some of that ourselves. I think you have too.
Yes.
Love their tile. The geometric shape is so gorgeous. Can't wait to see what they do with it.
All right, so this year, y'all, we're doing things a little bit differently. We are awarding a weekly prize to one of our participants. And this week, the award goes to...
Hold on, drum roll.
New Build Newlyweds for their amazing documentation and everything that they've done. And we cannot wait to see where you guys all go with it next week.
Yeah, and we've been so excited with everything that's happened so far this week. And so we know a lot of good stuff's coming. You, as people watching it, we need you to jump in and help vote. We will not make the decision. We have a part in it, but you have a bigger part. So hop over to Jeffrey Court and jump on their site, vote for who you think is winning the week. And then, of course, come back next week to check out all the new stuff and check out each blog too as well. And also, Homes.com is a partner this year, and it's a place where you can learn how to find a home to renovate for your family to make it work in there you live in. So check out Homes.com as well, and we'll see you next week.
Can't wait to see y'all.